Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Hypnotic review demo and $2,895 free bonus I got for you. Now, I'm not sure if this is called Hypnotic or Hypnotic app or Hypnotic software, Hypnotic system, but the point is this is a brand new software that generates free traffic on demand for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it is. We're going to break down the funnel, the pricing, and again, I have a huge bonus for it, so I'm going to show you exactly what it is in the end of this video. And right now, let me share my screen and let me just explain to you how this works. Okay, and even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I'm going to compare some pricing, because essentially what it does is it generates traffic for you by creating giveaways. Okay, so let's say you need traffic in any niche. You can just take a PDF report that it can be a PLR or a free video or whatever else you want to give away, and you say, okay, if you want this report, you have to share my page or my link or whatever you want to share 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. You do the setup, so it's totally up to you. Okay, so you only need to get like a tiny amount of traffic, 5 to 10 people to start sharing your links, and then it just snowballs. Because imagine if you're gonna get 5 people to share your link 5 times each, that's 25 people done. Then these 25 people will share it 5 times each, and that just multiplies and multiplies and snowballs, all for free, and you control all of it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this website, Rafflecopter, because this is a website that essentially allows you to run giveaways and sweepstakes. And I just wanted to show you the pricing just for you to keep in mind how much Rafflecopter and other similar websites are charging. Okay, so Rafflecopter, again, this is a website that allows you to create these giveaways. And when you're going to go to pricing, as you can see, the basic version is $13 per month, the Grow version is $43 per month, and the premium version is $84 per month. So I just wanted to keep this in mind while we are going through Hypnotic, because Hypnotic will be $17 one-time price. Okay, so even if you're just settling for the basic right here, you're saving massive amounts of investment. Now, this is the sales page. Now, the sales page is not done yet, so I'm just going to hit on some key points. And as you can see, it says Hypnotic, so powerful it should be illegal. Fact: if you can tie your shoes, you can start generating buyer traffic and sales with this new system in 2 minutes or less. No experience, paid traffic, or tech skills. Now, again, the sales page is not ready yet, so I'm just going to show you some key points. So Hypnotic, that's the new software that will be going live very, very soon. So this is the world's first traffic duplicating app. So again, all you have to do is just create 1, 2, 3 visitors, and then it just snowballs. As you can see, all the proof and testimonials are not added yet. I got early review access for this, so I'm just recording for you guys. So essentially what you need to know is that you're getting some bonuses, or obviously going to get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are offering, and a 30 days money back guarantee. And they actually have an additional guarantee for you, so if you will not get results, these guys will actually pay you. So there's no risk on your part. You can check it out. If it doesn't work, they will actually pay you, not only return your money but actually pay you. Okay, so this is the sales page, and this is how the inside of the members area looks like. Now, I'm going to have a full demo exactly breaking it down for you, so I will just show you all of the features right now. But if you do want to check out the whole demo, I will have it both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. Okay, so right now I just wanted to show you the inside. As you can see, we have total leads earned, total prizes created, total opened campaigns, total closed campaigns. So a part of obviously sharing your link, and this can be obviously a link to anything, an affiliate marketing, promotion, a CPA, it works for an e-com store. You can just send traffic to your blog or to your YouTube channel if you want to. So obviously you can use this for any internet marketing module, but you can also generate leads with this. And the cool thing is that you don't actually need an autoresponder, because Hypnotic will actually store your leads for you. Okay, so obviously then you can do with these leads whatever you want. So you can import them to any autoresponder. We can email them one by one if you want to, but that's just another very, very cool option that you need to be aware of. Now, this is the dashboard. If we're gonna go to leads, as you can see, We have the recent leads you generated, so you can download it as CSV, you can just keep them here, or you can import them to your autoresponder if you want to, but again, you don't need to actually start with an autoresponder to start seeing results with this. Then we have my prices, so essentially what you have to do is just find a price, and again, this can be like a free PLR report. As you can see, we have this one right here, so you essentially add the image, the price title, the price description, then you have the price link. This is the link that people will be sharing. Create that ad, and then obviously you can edit all of it and add a price. Okay, so once we have the price, then we go to campaigns, and as you can see, obviously we're going to create a campaign corresponding to the price. So we have the campaign title, number of referrals, so these are the referrals that you're getting, start date, end date, price, title, again price description, and this is the link that people will be sharing for you. Okay, so essentially again, how this works, you can just say, okay, if you want this price, you have to share this link 3 times, 5 times, or 10 times. Obviously we can edit the campaign, so I'm going to show you how this looks inside. So again, we have Ripple, we have the number of leads. As you can see, you can edit all of this in a matter of not even minutes, seconds. So we have the sign up page image, we have the link, we have the price. That's essentially it. So this is how you set up a campaign, and you can do this in a matter of seconds. And then obviously we have the video training included. So again, this is all still being created. So right now we have one video showing you how the app works, but these guys will be adding tons of videos on how to use the software and also how to make money with it. Okay, so that's essentially it. We also have the settings right here, so obviously you can change your password right here, and that's essentially it. This is a super simple app. You essentially create these giveaways in seconds, and these giveaways will be generating you free traffic on Autopilot, and it will be creating a snowball effect very quickly. Now you do need some initial trickle of traffic, so you do need these first 5 to 10 visitors to get the ball rolling, but then again it will just skyrocket. If you don't know how to get these first 5 to 10 visitors, my bonus will actually solve it, because I will give you some amazing traffic products. Okay, so essentially that's it. That's the inside of the members area. And right now let's check out the funnel, and let me just mention that as always I got for you guys a full written review, and this will include the funnel, and I have a full written review again right here on my blog, so you can read through it as well as watch this video right now. So as you can see, the Hypnotic funnel, the main product will be $17. Okay, so again, comparing it to Rafflecopter right here, Rafflecopter, the basic version is $13 per month, and you can get Hypnotic for $17, one-time price. Everything that I just showed you is included with this. Upgrade number 1, we have $39, and this will be Hypnotic Unlimited. So the basic version has some limitations, but if you want to remove them and take massive action, that's upgrade number 1, $39. Hypnotic upgrade number 2, we have $197 for Hypnotic done for you. So here you're getting a bunch of done for you materials like landing pages, opt-in pages, and everything else that requires to run a profitable campaign. Okay, so campaign follow-ups, etc., that's all done for you, $197. Upgrade number 3, $197 as well, and this is traffic. So essentially you're getting 12 months worth of traffic by adding your Google Pixel to the sales page of Hypnotic. Okay, so this sales page will be getting hundreds of thousands of visitors, and you can funnel this traffic out if you want to, and it will cost you $197. Upgrade number 4 is $37, and this is a reseller's license, which means that you can sell this product as your own and all the products in the funnel and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And the last upgrade number 5, we got Hypnotic group coaching, that will be $77, and this is essentially group coaching. You will be added to a group, and Dan Eschendorf, the guy that is releasing this product, will coach you on weekly calls. So this is the funnel, this is the breakdown, and right now let me show you all of my bonuses, because as I told you, I have a total of $2,895 worth of bonuses. You're getting it for free just as a thank you for picking up Hypnotic through my link. And to pick up Hypnotic through my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description and it will take you directly to the sales page. And as you can see, Hypnotic goes live at 11 AM Eastern on March 14th. First of all, again, you will need this initial trickle of traffic to get this ball rolling, and that's why I made these free custom-made bonuses especially for this promotion. And these are 3 different ways you can generate traffic to get this initial few visitors to your giveaway. Okay, so again, these are 3 different ways to generate traffic, 3 custom-made bonuses. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products. So as you saw, the reseller's license, you know, they can cost anywhere from $39 to $139. You're getting free, and this is for Instavid, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So if you don't know where to send the traffic you're going to be getting with Hypnotic, that's the perfect thing, because you're getting 100% commissions on everything. I'm also going to give you my buyers list ninja course, and this is everything you need to know about generating a buyers list, the most effective list and a list that you should definitely focus on generating. So this is an exclusive bonus from me. I'm also going to give you Blaze Push Traffic 3.0 Auto Affiliate Machine, Viral Commission Machine, Super Affiliate Class, $100 daily, 3-minute commissions, $171 a day, Copy Profit Case Study, Fastest Way to $169, Tube Commission Loophole, Flip Me, Tube Traffic Avalanche, and a case study on free traffic. So all of these are W's of the day traffic courses, again a perfect complement to Hypnotic. And on top of all this, you're getting some additional softwares and plugins: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and it's worth $1,500. Now, this will bring it up to a total of $2,895. And again, you're getting all of this for free, just as a thank you for picking up Hypnotic through my link. And again, you have a full written review right here on my blog, and this will include a little sum up. So just to sum up this Hypnotic review, you're getting Autopilot, buyer traffic in seconds. You can create these giveaways as you saw in under a minute. 100% beginner friendly. All the video training and tutorials will be included. No monthly fees. So again, comparing it to Rafflecopter, you're just getting it for a one-time fee of $17. You can enjoy the laptop lifestyle. You're gonna get a 30 days money back guarantee, and also if you won't see results with it, these guys will actually send you $100. So you're getting a refund plus $100 if this won't work for you. So that's essentially it. But before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus if you'll decide to pick up Hypnotic through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history right here on Warrior Plus. So click on your top right corner icon, go to purchase history, and you should see Hypnotic and one of your purchases. Click on it, and below the button saying access your purchase, you should see another button that says bonuses from Art. That's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. Now again guys, just comparing it to Rafflecopter, you know, this is a great price for what you're getting. You can start generating free traffic, and my bonus will help you to get the ball rolling. Okay, so guys, all in all, pretty cool idea, great for generating traffic, great price. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.